In this video, we are assembling the Pail Lavender Pail box card. So there aren't a whole lot of pieces. It's pretty simple. You have these pieces here that look like this. They have one side has a kind of a curved top. This is to help the handle look like it's coming around from the back. Glue these on just like this. This is supposed to be like an old ceramic milk can. I'm gonna put a heart on the front. The oval is for the sentiment on the back. I designed it with thinking that it would be that way, but you could also do it up, excuse me, down if you wanted. Now I'm going to go ahead and glue these two pieces together. And I'm going to stand them up because I want to make sure that I get this in the right spot. I'm going to just set that aside for a minute. I'm going to work here on my lavender. I want to pop this up with some foam tape here, give it a little bit of dimension. And you'll notice here you have 2 points, and you can see the points here and here. So you just want to line those up, just like that. Just curl these forward a little bit. Curl the back ones back. Just make it look a little bit fuller. I'm just running my nail across it. Okay, now we're going to take our box. We're going to set this in here. We're going to just glue this down. Looks like I might need to make this a little bit longer. I hadn't thought about that showing when the card closes. I'll have to see what I think about it afterwards. See how you can see it. But that seems like a waste of paper. Now here's our other insert. Put glue here. Lay this right in here. Glue that down. hung up on my flowers. Now I'm going to put glue here on these two tabs. Bring it over and glue those right into place. Hold it back and forth. And close up the card. And there is the Pail, Lavender Pail. Thank you for joining me.